What's going on, guys? This is MC Galaxy TG and welcome to my first episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.9.5. So let's start it. And MCB. King Galaxy. Alright, let's start it. Okay. Let's chop a wood. The boring stuff. Chop a wood. Alright, when we're done here, let's get some stone. We'll create a pickaxe, crafting bench, and get some stone. Upgrade all the weapons. Let's get some stone. I got a news about Microsoft that they want to buy the Mojang in $9 billion. That's big. I don't think Mojang will accept that price, because Mojang, I don't think so. Mojang loved the game of Minecraft, so I will not agree to buy the Microsoft, the Mojang. I don't want Microsoft to buy the Mojang because I love the Mojang ever than Microsoft. Mojang is the best. Alright, we got a stone. Alright, let's upgrade some stuff. Let's get some axe. Let's get some. Ouch, and there's some freaking cave down here. I didn't notice. Let's get up. It's a secret base. Wow. I never realized there's some secret cave here. I'm going up. There we go. But there's some iron there, so we will get the iron there. Okay, time to get the iron. I'm so lagged. Excuse me. Excuse me to bird on your face, guys. Sorry. Right. There's some coal there. There's some coal. I will get that. Ooh. Downwards. We keep moving. Let's keep moving. Oh, it's a dead end. It's a dead end cave. Let's go up. Let's go up. And find some shelter. And we need food. Sorry baby if I kill you. I wish in 10.0 update of this Minecraft we have a experience. I like that, like a computer now. Because this Minecraft Pocket Edition, it's like a computer now. It's cool. Cooler than ever. Yeah. Let's get the ship. I wish there's one ship here again. Make a bed, one ship more, one wool. Yeah, I didn't know if there's some cave. Not a cave or just a stupid hole. I need one wool. One wool to make a bed. Sheepy. I played the 1.8 version of Minecraft PC games. It's cool. When you kill the sheep, they give you a mutton. That is the meat of sheep. Mutton. Alright, let's create the bed. So when it's night, it's okay. When you have no shelter, you have a bed there. You have a bed there. You're still protected because you sleep. Alright, let's find a place where... Ooh, that's a spooky place. Oh, I know this. This is the largest cave ever. I don't know if this is it. Because in this thing there's some coal. I knew it. We have a lot of coal. You can get a lot of coal here because look at this place. I played this for a very long time. Okay, it's no more, so let's get out here. I think there's some downwards there. I didn't notice there's some downwards there and there's some iron there. This is a cool hideout. Let's make this a secret house. Let's make this a house. Ooh. In torch, it's dark. Oh yes, we've got a shelter. Need this. Oh no, right there. Put there. There. Here is the chest. Put all stuff there. Just put them all. Put it. That we don't need it. Put it. That you don't need it. Put it. That you don't need it. Okay, let's cook this. Go on there. There. Now we can cook now. Let's create some door. Door. Yeah. Need dirt. Why am I not capturing light? There. Now we got a shelter to be protected. And I didn't notice there's some iron there. But we need to be careful because there's some sand that can fall a sand. Need to be careful in the sandstone. That's close. Need to remove all of this. With the higher 4x4. It's a 4x4. No. Yep, 4x4 high. Okay. And there's some friggin' spider there. Okay. When you remove the sandstone, it's so fast, but in the stone, it's so hard. Look, one. It's easy. I think I done the cook. Oh, fine. Yummy. Alright, let's remove this, and this thingy. And this one. And we got more. Oh, forgot. Need one more. There. Make a chest. Oh yeah. MC Galaxy Aba armor. But we need a. Where's the stone? Get the stone. Like this. In next episode we will customize my home because it's gonna be all the ready time. So next episode we will customize this small house. So it's night time. So it's your sleep. It's night time, guys. Yeah. Good morning. It's done. Ooh. There's some pretty spider out there, so I need this Tantara. Let's go. There. Cool. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be already time, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. And if you want to follow me, go at Facebook at Team Galaxy. And if you want to follow my Twitter, go at MC Galaxy TG. So, this is goodbye guys.